In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit PDF in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the File tab, top left, click on Open over here, and then you want to find your PDF you would like to edit. So, for example, I have a sample PDF over here. You can just click on it and click on Open, and it's going to pop up PDF options like this. You'll be able to load either all pages or just the specific pages you want. I'm going to load all 4 of them over here. You can then also import as pages or artboards. You can select your DPI that you want to use, and then here you can go ahead and select your color space as well. Then you have some additional options over here. You can go ahead and replace the missing font. So there's a few missing fonts in here. I can go ahead and replace them with different fonts I have installed right now, which is very cool. And you can do this for every single missing font, which is very convenient. And whenever you're happy with that, just click on OK, and it's going to take you to this layout tab over here. And now this is your PDF you can then essentially edit. So as you can see here, I have all the 4 pages of this example PDF. I can scroll down to actually see them, and you can edit whatever you want very easily. You can just zoom in here and then just go to the point where you would like to edit. And as you can see, I can even add in some text or just type in whatever you want to do here, and you'll be able to do this for every single thing inside here, inside this document. Okay, so I can even go ahead over here, add different things in here. I could like drag this out, move it around, make it bigger, smaller, type whatever you want here. You could replace images, you could add images, so you can pretty much do whatever you want in here, okay, which is very cool. So that's how to edit a PDF. Have fun with it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.